Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your mirror. So you see in the back right here, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you how to change your mirror on a Nissan Altima. This is the 2015 one, but it's also the same for the 2016 Nissan Altima right there, 16 and up. Alright, so what you want to do is remove this piece right here. I'm going to remove that, so you might want to get a flathead screwdriver. If you can't, you can get one of this, it would be nice, but if you can't, you get a flathead screwdriver. Try to go in right here. So you want to try it on here too on the side. Alright. So that's it. You want to unhook the panel from here, and then you can take your time and take it off like that. Alright, and now what you have here is some 10mm. You got 3 of them 10mm nut. Alright, so the next move you want to make is to chase the wire that comes from the mirror, in the back of the mirror like that. So you want to chase it, go all the way down there. I don't know. Alright, all the way down there where it clipped in. You want to put your hand down there and squeeze the top part of the equipment and pull out. Alright, so basically it's like this, and you want to squeeze this in. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Not focusing for me. Alright, so this is it right here. What you want to do is squeeze this right here, and it will work like that. Alright, so squeeze this and pull out. Alright, and now it's time to take out those 10mm. Go ahead and take them out real quick. Guys, be extra careful not to drop your nut, alright? Easy as that. Alright, so I get my new mirror, something like this. Alright. So new mirror, and it also, like this, you also have this part right here that you're gonna have to paint if the other side is painted. The other side is painted to red, so we need to paint this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this part first and send this one to get painted, and then just put it on like this. Alright, like that. Alright, so this you want to all this. 10mm right here. careful again not to drop your nut. And also you want to go ahead and plug this in. Tug on it a little bit, not hard, just a little bit, just to show that it's not just to show that it's plugged in tight. So now what you want to do is mirror is tight. Alright, so now it's time to put on your inside mirror cover. Line it up in the hole right here. Line it up. In right, as you can see, it's all nice and tight. Alright, and now what you want to do is crank the car. Well, not crank the car, turn ignition on. Turn the ignition on and check your mirrors, make sure it moves in all directions. Alright. And you should be good, alright? And also you gotta remember to put this on. If your car is black, it'll be good. If the other side is black. This side is red, so I'm gonna have to paint this red and then put it on over there. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you, and see you next time. So what you want to do is line it up real good. Line it up real good and tap it on. Alright, just a little tap. And that should do it. Alright, thank you guys. See you next time.